What's up, Shaknatics? It's your girl Shakeira, and today I am back with another video. Now, this hairstyle is a very simple yet classy updo, very quick and easy, so I'm not even gonna waste time with the intro. Let's just jump right into the video. Okay guys, so like I said, I'll be doing an updo today. I'm going to be doing a high bun, but this high bun is going to have two strand flat twists, one at the side of my head and one more at the front of my head. So I'm just putting away my hair in the back of my head because I'll be working in the front. Now I'm just parting out a section at the side of my head where my flat twist will be, and I'm making sure I detangle my hair before I start the process to make sure that my flat twist is going to be as smooth and as neat as possible. Now I'm just putting some gel at the beginning of my flat twist just to control the frizzing and to make the beginning look very sleek and smooth. I'm not gonna put the gel all over my hair because I do not want my hair to get too wet to cause any shrinkage. So this is a lot easier demonstrating than it is to explain, but I will try my best. So I am using my left hand to keep the hair in place and the sections in place. And I'm using my right hand because I am right-handed to actually create the flat twist. And my right hand is the hand I'm using to grip pieces of hair into the sections as I go along. So I'm going to zoom it all the way in so that you guys can see my hand movement and try and understand exactly what I'm doing. And just before I forget, my hair is freshly washed and it is stretched using my no heat method. So now that I'm finished with my flat twist, I'm gonna go back in with my gel to clean up any flyaway hair or any frizzing, etc. just to make it look very neat and sleek. So for my second flat twist, because this hairstyle is a very simple and elegant hairstyle, just to add a little personality, I'm giving this flat twist a little swoop in the front. So now I'm just putting my hair up into the high ponytail, adding in the ends of my flat twist. And I'm putting my hair up in sections because it really helps me to not pull my hair too tight, as I'm not trying to force all of my hair, at once into the ponytail. And I actually use way less gel when I do this method. Although my hair can go up with just one swoop, I like to do it in sections still. So that is what I'm doing right now. These hairstyles are usually previewed first on my TikTok account. So make sure you're following me on there. They say they're going to ban it in the US, but we're going to enjoy it while it lasts. At the point of me making this video, I'm at 46,000 followers. If you're on my YouTube channel, you came from TikTok, big up yourself. Thank you guys so much, everyone who has been supporting my account on TikTok. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And I'm also very consistent. Well, not really very consistent, but I'm more consistent on Instagram as well because of you guys. So make sure you follow me on there as well. I usually do not promote Instagram because I know I absolutely flop, but my mom is on board. We are coming up with like a schedule so that I'm more consistent and I am more on point. And on Instagram, you guys will get to know me a lot better. You guys can ask me questions and I'll be there answering each and every one of you. So for this high bun, I'm going to be doing a 2-strand twist bun to complement my flat twist at the sides. And guys, I actually did not put my bun as high as I wanted it in the beginning, but by the time I realized my bun wasn't in the place that I wanted it to be, it was too late. So I decided to just roll with it, and it still turned out very cute in my opinion. Comment in the comment section and let me know what you think. So since TikTok entered my life, I've been using these gold strings in almost all of my hairstyles. I don't know, for some reason, I think it just adds to the look. You know, it gives it a little bit more oomph, for lack of a better word. So I'm just putting this gold string in, you know, just to give it that little extra boost because it's a very simple style. So this is the final look, guys. I really hope you like it. Comment in the comment section and let me know what you think. If you made it so far, if you made it to the end, you're an MVP. You're a true one. You're a diehard. I really love and appreciate you guys. Make sure your notification bell is turned on because I have a lot of amazing content coming to you. And Mama Bear is on board with me, helping me to stay organized and stay consistent. So big up yourself, Mom. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!